Look at they're watching outside. Ito yung view namin sa labas. Ayan. Kinuha na ni Mama yung cortina. Diyan dobre. Gagala. Hindi tayo gagala. Bibili tayo ng Pampers for today's day. Wala na kasi Pampers yung Junakis namin. Junakis. Oh, diba? Ang ganda namin ano. Ito mama ano. Modelado siya. Sasakay tayo sa sasakyan ng mama. Paparo naman. Baro lang ba? Okay, found it. Ayan, itong celebration farm. Yan ginagamit nila sa ano. Ayan, usually ginagamit talaga. O, tamang mag-vlog-vlog dari ko eh. Diba? We're looking for the house?
For celebration.
Oh. Kanya yung mechanic. It's really nice here. No.
No?
It's just mahal. This maybe this is for Natalia blowing.
Babeczkę wiśniową i tańcową. Jeszcze będzie?
I jeszcze ten sering czekoladowy, też tak połówkę.
We're here at the we have to buy Pampers. Pampers and what they pads, yeah. This is the big one. How much is that? 12. And
Let me just.
we can add that one.
Something more?
Nothing. Oh, but okay, I'm gonna. Something about this is what we have. Yung
And now we use this.
to. We changed them like, oh, Natalia, Chris. They don't have a picture. Wine. And the section is chocolate. Chocolate. Something nice. Good luck. Oh, so haba yung gusto niya. And we're going to my all-time favorite bubble tea. Bubble tea. This is Mama's favorite. happened?
Buy and then go to the deposit.
Let's make burger now. Do you have bubble tea? That and then
Find me.
yes, because I know you asked for the candles. Must that be the for babies and super cute. I didn't check how much is that one.
Yes. 5 euros, 10 euros.
We're walking outside naman because the weather is really good. Hindi na masyado tugnaw. Yay, down.
Down like snow.
Mama, say hi. Tak, fine. Super. Bye-bye, mama.
A jak coś to Marian może coś ugotować.
Say hi, mahal. Bago shave your, shaving now. Christmas. Very, dito. Oh, it's cold. So to is?
Kurczaki.
Ay, chicken. May mga chicken sila dito. Mga bahay dito. Ang dami ng mga bahay. Medyo dikit-dikit. But, hindi pareho sa, hindi katulad sa Pilipinas. Maraming wala na. Wala. I have a dream. The man of my dream. Yay. We have princess now. No, so those San lang. Now we're walking to forest. We're doing rubber, biking, like a normal couple. And now we have let's go. We have baby na. And yung mga nakasanayan namin just limited for a moment. So we have newborn baby. Limited na yung namin. Yung mag grocery ka parang sobrang lang mabilisan. Kasi hindi naman namin maiwan ng medyo matagal yung anak namin. Kay mama so guwapo. The new bagong shave siya, ito yung suha natin. Kukuha tayo dito, diba? Tayo dito, mag-harvest ba? Mag-harvest ba tayo ni? Simple siya, mama. I'm gonna make this her your office. Nilagay naman ba sa office yung yung suha ko dito? I don't know kung nabibinyagan yung suha ko. Baka matidso na niyo. Ito yung namin ito. Mamatay na yung suha ko. Ang mahal pa naman ito. Wala na yung sausage na. Again. So, sleeping ka po.
I wiesz jak?
Tak.
Dzięki naszej przyjaźni i miłości
Yay!